In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a task into a subtask in Asana. If you've ever created a task and later realized it really belongs under a larger piece of work, converting it into a subtask is the cleanest way to keep your project organized. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few pointers so you know what to expect. First, open Asana on your desktop and make sure you're in the correct workspace. You can use the web app in your browser or the desktop app. The process is the same. Take a second to confirm the workspace name at the top, especially if you're a member of multiple organizations. Next, open the project that contains the task you want to convert. You can select it from the left sidebar or use the search bar to find it quickly. Once the project is open, locate the task in your list or board. Click the task to open its task panel on the right side of the screen. This panel shows the task's details, including its description, assignee, due date, and any comments or attachments. In the task panel, click the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled More Actions, near the top right. This menu contains options that change how the task is structured. Hover over Convert To. A small submenu will appear with different conversion choices. Select Subtask from the options. This tells Asana you want to turn the current standalone task into a subtask nested under another task. Now choose the parent task that this item should belong to. You can search by name or pick from recent items. Make sure you select the correct parent, especially if there are tasks with similar titles. Depending on your permissions, you can place the subtask under a parent in the same project or in another project within the same workspace. Once you confirm, the task is converted into a subtask and will appear under the parent you selected. All of the core details, like the description, comments, and attachments, stay with it. The assignee and due date typically remain intact as well. It will be visible under the parent task when its subtasks are expanded. Keep in mind that, depending on your project view, subtasks may not always show in the main list by default, so checking the parent task is the most reliable way to verify the change. That's it. You've successfully tidied up your project by nesting related work where it belongs. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.